All right, y'all, what a difference a couple of weeks makes. I think in the last video I told you things were going to start happening very, very quickly. Well, they have. You have a driveway, a sidewalk, you've got grass, you've got landscaping. The front porch looks awesome with the columns. Let's get your dining room light on here real quick. All right. So we are in the final stages. It's looking like things just need to be clean, but everything is complete from what I can see. Head over to the master. Living area looks awesome. Flooring came out perfect. Like I said, I think really all we're lacking here is a final clean, clean up on the yard from the landscaping guys. And we're ready for a walkthrough. Things are looking awesome. Let's take a peek out in the garage, see how the garage looks. Looking good out here. Right, I think that's where, well, you know what, let's do, we'll do an exterior walk around here. Let's switch from regular glasses to sunglasses. We'll take a walk around the outside. But things are really, really looking great. There's your view when you're having your morning coffee on your front porch. Come out and watch the water. And let's take a trip around. So landscaping looks great. Grass always looks a little rough in the beginning. They'll get everything straightened out and cut prior to closing. You have your 2 crepe myrtles on the corners, and your magnolia in the middle of the backyard here. And lanai is looking awesome. Is your home team control panel. If you choose to do the home team pest control, we'll get you in touch with Ken, wonderful dude. They get you squared away. That's that in-wall pest control system that we offer. And everything is looking awesome. I'm looking forward to seeing you all up here. And if they haven't already, I'm sure they're getting ready to schedule your walkthrough. I'll have to take a look. But until then, I hope y'all are having a great Sunday. And I will see you shortly.